Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Canada to India through CIBC. Okay? And well, this process is pretty simple. With just a few steps, we'll be able to do this. First, you need to log into your CIBC app, and here you'll enter your username and password. Here you enter your card number, and your password. Now then here, what we're going to do to send money to India is quite simple. We're going to go here to the main menu. We're going to click here, okay? On these three lines that we have here. We click there, and here we're going to look for this option that says Global Money Transfer. We click here, and here we're going to choose the amount we want to send, okay? So here we're going to choose the country, the currency of that country, and the amount that will be received, in this case India. Once all those parameters are set, we click on Send Money. And well, here we have to add a new contact by clicking this button, which would be the contact details of the person in India. So here, if we already have one added, we just select it. And well, all that's left is to choose which account we're going to use to send the money from and how much we're going to send. We can select a specific amount by clicking here. Now then, once the amount is set, here we'll choose the purpose of the transfer. And, well, we'll click continue once everything is finished. And here it will give us a summary of the transfer made to India. And well, if this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.